What is the difference between join and merge in Pandas? Suppose I have two data frames like so. I want to merge them, so I try something like this. And I'm happy. But I'm trying to use the join method, which I've been led to believe is pretty similar. And I get this. What am I missing?
Pandas.merge is the underlying function used for all merge/join behavior. Dataframes provide the pandas.dataframe.merge and pandas.dataframe.join methods as a convenient way to access the capabilities of pandas.merge. For example, df1.merge right equals df2, ... is equivalent to pandas.merge left equals df1, right equals df2, ... These are the main differences between df.join and df.merge. Look up on right table. df1.join df2 always joins via the index of df2, but df1.merge df2 can join to one or more columns of df2, default, or to the index of df2, with right underscore index equals true. Look up on left table. By default, df1.join df2 uses the index of df1 and df1.merge df2 uses columns of df1. That can be overridden by specifying df1.join df2 on equals key underscore or underscore keys, or df1.merge df2 left underscore index equals true. Left versus inner join. df1.join df2 does a left join by default, keeps all rows of df1, but df.merge does an inner join by default, returns only matching rows of df1 and df2. So, the generic approach is to use pandas.merge df1, df2, or df1.merge df2. But for a number of common situations, keeping all rows of df1 and joining to an index in df2, you can save some typing by using df1.join df2 instead. Some notes on these issues from the documentation at this URL. Merge is a function in the pandas namespace, and it is also available as a dataframe instance method, with the calling dataframe being implicitly considered the left object in the join. The related dataframe.join method uses merge internally for the index on index and index on columns joins, but joins on indexes by default rather than trying to join on common columns, the default behavior for merge. If you are joining on index, you may wish to use dataframe.join to save yourself some typing. These two function calls are completely equivalent.
I always use join on indices. The same functionality can be had by using merge on the columns follows.
One of the difference is that merge is creating a new index, and join is keeping the left side index. It can have a big consequence on your later transformations if you wrongly assume that your index isn't changed with merge. For example, dash dash dash
From this documentation, Pandas provides a single function, merge, as the entry point for all standard database join operations between dataframe objects. And dataframe.join is a convenient method for combining the columns of two potentially differently indexed dataframes into a single result dataframe. Here is a very basic example. The data alignment here is on the indexes, row labels. This same behavior can be achieved using merge plus additional arguments instructing it to use the indexes.
I believe that join is just a convenience method. Try df1.merge df2 instead, which allows you to specify left_on and right_on.
If you also want that, please consider trying.